Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Enhance Your English Academy. This video is about as soon as and no sooner than. Both as soon as and no sooner than, these are used to join two actions that occur one after another without any gap. Actually, both give the same meaning, but we use in two different models. That's it. How do we use as soon as in a sentence? Let's see. Actually, as soon as is used in the following way: as soon as plus statement plus statement. Here, statement means subject plus verb combination. Look at the given example. As soon as I saw a monkey, I ran away. Here, I saw a monkey is first statement and I ran away is the second statement. I told you statement means subject plus verb combination. In this model, the verb of both the statements must be in the same tense. For example, saw is simple past tense, ran is also simple past tense. I saw a monkey, I ran away. As soon as I saw a monkey, I ran away. The same example we can use with the no sooner than. Here, no sooner comes in the beginning and than comes in the middle. The sentence structure is no sooner plus inversion plus than plus statement. No sooner did I see the monkey than I ran away. No sooner did I see a monkey than I ran away. No sooner comes in the beginning. Then what is inversion? Inversion means did I see? Did I see? That means it is verb plus subject combination. Verb is did, I is subject. In as soon as model, we have two statements of equal tense. But in no sooner than, we have one inversion and one statement joined with no sooner than. No sooner did I see a monkey than I ran away. Here, did I see a monkey? This is inversion, that is verb plus subject. Verb is did, subject is I. The next part is I ran away is a general statement. I told you, statement means subject plus verb combination. Here, subject is I, verb is ran. So, the statement is I ran away. No sooner did I see a monkey than I ran away. In no sooner than model, we have two types. One is simple past model, that is did plus subject. The other one is past perfect model, that is had plus V3. If you observe in the previous slide, I used no sooner did I see a monkey than I ran away. But here I am saying no sooner had I seen a monkey than I ran away. In both the sentences, the meaning is same. What is the meaning? First, which action happened? I saw a monkey. That is the first action. What is the second action which happened immediately? I ran away. So, as soon as I saw a monkey, immediately I ran away. I can say, no sooner did I see a monkey than I ran away. Or, no sooner had I seen a monkey than I ran away. All the three sentences give the same meaning. What is the meaning? First, you saw the monkey, and immediately, quickly, without any delay, you ran away from the place. That is the meaning. Now we will see some more examples with all the three types of sentences using as soon as and no sooner than. As soon as the bell rang, the students went home. In this sentence, the bell rang, the students went home. These two are two statements. Rang and went. These two are in simple past tense. So, same tense is used in both the statements. When we use no sooner, it will be no sooner did the bell ring than the students went home. Did the bell ring? This is the inversion. The students went home. This is the statement. In all the three sentences, the second part, the students went home. This is same. There is no change. But the first part changes. No sooner did the bell ring. Here you should not get confused about did the bell ring. It's like a question. Did the bell ring? This is a question. But here we are not asking a question. It is a part of sentence. So, no sooner plus did plus subject. The subject is the bell. plus again you got V1 ring. If you know, rank is equal to did plus ring. Ring is the V1 of rank. So, no sooner did the bell ring than the students went home. The meaning is the bell rang first, immediately the students started running, that is, they're going home. First, what is the action? The bell rang. Second action, the students went home. So, immediately after the bell rang, the students went home. That is the meaning in all the three sentences. Now let's look at the last example. No sooner had the bell rung than the students went home. In this model, we have used past perfect tense, that is, had plus V3. No sooner had the bell rung than the students went home. In this example also, the second part, the students went home, it is same. Went is the past tense, simple past tense. The first part is no sooner had the bell rung. Again, don't get confused with had the bell rung. It is not a question. I'm not saying had the bell rung. This is a question, but I'm not asking a question. It is a part of sentence. No sooner had the bell rung than the students went home. Had the bell rung, this is the inversion, which means verb plus subject. Had is verb, the bell is subject, and then we got V3, that is rung. No sooner had the bell rung than the students went home. We shall see one more example for better understanding. As soon as I saw my result, I jumped high into the sky. No sooner did I see my result than I jumped high into the sky. No sooner had I seen my result than I jumped high into the sky. It may be like you saw your result of 10th class or something else, and you are full of joy because you passed with flying colors. And then you can say this one. As soon as I saw my result, I jumped high into the sky. No sooner did I see my result than I jumped high into the sky. Hey, do you know? No sooner had I seen my result than I jumped high into the sky. It means you are in full jubilant mood. You are fully happy with your result and you are saying this sentence. So I would like to conclude this. Both of these two conjunctions, that is, as soon as and no sooner than, they give the same meaning. This I have already explained. The action in the first statement happens first. The action in the second statement happens soon after the first action, without much gap. You can use a number of examples using these two conjunctions. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.